Hello guys, today we are going to make these interesting things together. It's a macaroni Christmas tree. For your inspiration, I've brought here some samples of such macaroni Christmas trees. For making it, you are going to need spiral macaroni and horns macaroni. The pasta should be dry, and you see the samples, they look like this. And you'll need gouache, napkins and spangles because we are making a Christmas tree. It should shine. Okay, napkins and liquid glue, necessarily transparent, scissors and cardboard. Besides, I have here some bows and stars because we are going to decorate the top of our Christmas tree. Okay, let's start. First of all, let's color the pasta. For it, we are going to need napkins and pasta. On the first napkin, I'll make green pasta, on the second white, and on the third golden and white. Let's begin with the lightest colors. I'll take white and I will do it without rushing step by step. I'll paint every horn. You can hold the horns with your hands. It's no problem if you get dirty. It's creative work and you will paint every horn step by step, very slowly. Can you see how thickly I take the paint on the brush? When you take your paint thickly, you can see how well the color covers the things. Okay, white pasta is ready. Do you watch how great they look? Guys, you can paint less pasta than me. Maybe you'll have not one macaroni Christmas tree, but 10 Christmas trees of different colors. Okay, then I'll take golden color and we'll make golden macaroni, and they will look very expensive. Do you see? I'm painting every macaroni, and it's fascinating activity for me, and I like it so much. Guys, you shouldn't pour much water into your jar, but the most important thing is not to forget to change it, because water shouldn't mix. You know, I have an impression that I'm making some pearls or treasures when I work with spangles. Okay, now I will put it aside. It shouldn't interfere us anymore. Maybe your pasta won't be so much covered with paint like mine is, and your Christmas tree will be light green, or maybe it will be just blue with yellow, for example. Don't be afraid of fantasize. Watch around. There are a lot of Christmas trees in our yards. Okay, green pasta is ready too, and let's put it aside. And now we should change the water. Okay, we have already done it, and we have a red color left, and let's begin it. I will take the paint very thickly on the brush, and our red color will be just great. Okay, and when the macaroni is getting dry, we are going to wash our hands all together. Let's put everything aside, all unnecessary things, for example, water. Let's make a blank out of the cardboard, and you can put aside paints too. You can use absolutely any type of cardboard. It can be boxes from under toys or even shoes, everything you want, and cardboard up to you. Now let's draw a triangle of any size you want. Probably 8 centimeters at the bottom and 10 at the top. Let's cut off necessary piece for our future Christmas tree. It is my basis. Let's put everything aside, all unnecessary things we don't need scissors or pencil anymore. Okay guys, your macaroni is already dry, I hope, but my macaroni is not dry yet. That's why I'm going to take my prepared pasta, because my pasta is still raw. And now we are going to need our liquid glue, and take a napkin, and I will check if everything is okay with the glue. Now let's draw a line here below, and after that we are going to take scraps and we'll spread it smoothly upwards. Then we are going to put our macaroni step by step. I will start with the green ones. Okay guys, if you are afraid of getting dirty, take a napkin and put it underneath. Then red ones are coming. Our red horns here, I put them by turns, up, down, up, down. Or where are you? Where are you in my magic box? Or you are on the bottom. Let's continue our making like that. Do you see how much glue I take? It's necessary in the next step. Next row will be white, and do you see I take spiral ones, and you can use any color you want, and if they are beyond the edges you can even break them out. Next row will be golden, and you can have blue or red, it's up to you. We are decorating the Christmas tree not just like that. It's a symbol of longevity and eternal life. We can decorate it not only with toys but with fruit and sweets and even candles. Next row I will make of horns again, golden horns. And how do you decorate your Christmas tree? You can write it down in the comment. It can be garlands, lanterns and tinsel, of course. And I like very much spangles. That's why at my house my Christmas tree glows and shimmers. And of course we put gifts under the tree. Okay, let's put more glue, much glue. Nothing should come off. The next color. Okay, let it be orange, like that. And we put again golden. Oh, it results so beautiful. And to the top of the Christmas tree, the star will come. Maybe you have it at home or you bought a blank. I have it ready. Okay, and some golden horns here. Now guys, let's decorate our Christmas tree. We'll need glue again and a napkin. We will put the napkin under the Christmas tree. Let's take the glue, and I want to add more golden and silver spangles here. I have this glitter, and you maybe have, for example, beads, and I sprinkle with this glitter as if it would be salt. Okay, more and more different glitters, and it will shine greatly. But first put much glue, it's very important. Now we should wait for our Christmas tree drying. After that we will blow off unnecessary glitters. Our Christmas tree is ready, glitters got dry. Let's continue decorating it. I have such bows, and you can find something like that, or maybe it will just be a ribbon or even snowflakes. And such a beautiful Christmas tree turned out. Okay guys, our masterclass is almost over. Subscribe to our channel, put likes, and see you soon. Bye bye.